Hello, welcome back to All Things Independent again, and the new starter motor has arrived. It's a RTX starter motor. Got it from Europarts. Cost £75, I think it was. Not sure exactly. I'll put a link in the description if anyone is actually interested to what I purchased. Hopefully it's going to go in a lot easier than it came out. In theory, 3 bolts, that end in the 3 holes, and then a couple of wires on the end. That is it. But as you know, it's never as easy as it sounds. So let's go and try and get it in. Don't know if I'll record much of it. It's very tight to get in. I may record a few little bits along the way, but essentially it's a reverse operation of how I took it out. So I'll have a see what happens. Well, the starter motor went in really easy, 10-15 minutes, 3 bolts, tied it up nicely, all in, all the electrics are on. Just having a little sandwich, a little roll with bacon and sausage in, and then I'm going to turn the key. Moment of truth, it's all ready, battery's on, keys going in, all lights up. Here we go. Is it going to work? No exhaust on it. Filling up with gas, I'm going to turn it off. So now it runs. All I need to do is get the seats back in, all the seat box, all of this lot, tidy it all up, steering wheel back on, and then we'll take it for a drive. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and all that good stuff for me, and I'll see you on the next one.